Hello student, good afternoon. Today we will start the next cell organelle, that is mitochondria. Mitochondria. It is commonly called as powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. This is the cell powerhouse, mitochondria. To energy gives to the cell to cell. Powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria. Structure. The mitochondria, mito means thread, chondria means granules, thread like granules, that is called as mitochondria, are filamentous or granular cytoplasmic organelle. Granular cytoplasmic organelles of all aerobic cells of higher animals and certain microorganisms. These are absent in bacterial cells. The mitochondria have lipoproteins framework which contains many enzymes and coenzymes required for energy metabolism. They also contains a specific DNA for the cytoplasmic inheritance and ribosomes for the proteins synthesis. The mitochondria was first of all observed by Kolliker in 1880. Muscle cells of insects. Previously, the mitochondria have been known by various names, that is, eosinophilic granules, parabasal bodies, plasmosomes, blastosomes, phyla, vermicules, bioblast, and chondriosomes. The mitochondria move autonomously in the cytoplasm, so they generally have uniform distribution in the cytoplasm, but in many cells their distribution is very restricted. Example, rod and cone cells of the retina. All the mitochondria are located in a portion of the inner segment. In some cells, the mitochondria are concentrated in the peripheral cytoplasm or cytoplasm just beneath the plasma membrane, as in paramecium pancreatic cells. While in certain cells the mitochondria remains concentrated around the nucleus during the cell division, mitosis and meiosis. The mitochondria get concentrated around the spindles. The number of mitochondria in a cell depends on the type and functional state of the cell. It varies from cell to cell and from species to species. Certain cells contains exceptionally large number of the mitochondria. Example, amoeba, 50,000 eggs of the urchin contains 140,000 to 150,000, and oocytes of the amphibia brain contains 3 lakh mitochondrial liver cells of rat contain only 500 to 1600 mitochondria. The mitochondria may be filamentous or granular in shape and may change from one form to another depending upon the physiological conditions of the cells, that is, they may be of club, rocket, vesicular, ring, or round shape. The diameter of the mitochondria ranges from 0.2 micron to 2 micron, and the length may range from 0.3 micron to 4.0 micron. Structure of mitochondria. The mitochondria are bounded by double membrane envelope which provides good tensile strength, stability, and flexibility to them. The outer and inner mitochondrial membranes are 60 to 70 angstrom unit thick and trilaminar in nature. Each membrane is composed of an outer and inner dense osmophilic layer of the protein molecules of 20 to 25 angstrom thickness and a middle 25 angstrom thick bimolecular layer of lipids. The two mitochondrial membranes are separated by an intermembrane space called as outer compartment of the perimitochondrial space of the outer mitochondrial membrane is pitted. These pits are the spaced rather irregularly. The inner mitochondrial membrane lines the innermost compartment which filled with matrix. The mitochondrial matrix contains lipids, proteins, circular DNA molecules, 70S ribosomes, and certain granules. These are helps to the ability of mitochondria to accumulate ions. The inner membrane has an outer cytosol or C face towards the perimitochondrial space and an inner matrix of M face toward the matrix. Okay, thank you.